Hello dear students, welcome again. I hope you all are healthy, safe and fit. And thank God that I am injured but on right hand side. Unfortunately I am lefty. Today I am introducing one very easy, most important, short and scoring one sum from SSC board paper, which is very important from the calculation from the Pythagoras. Three short point I will explain today. So in my previous lecture also I told that how to find out Pythagorean triplet. So first point is that take smallest Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, 5. First step, round figure smallest, then odd number 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and going on. Next, total of C, 1, 2, 3 total. This plus this plus this 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 total. First step, you write minimum means round figure triplet. Second, write all odd number. Third point, 1, 2, 3 total. 1, 2, 3 total. 1, 2, 3 total. Like that. In the third number of right angle triangle, that is the hypotenuse, longest side. Next number means 3, 4, 5, 12, 13, 24, 25, 40, 41, 60, 61, 84, 85. Now, this is first point. Now, if hypotenuse is given and one side is not given, that unknown number we have to find out. So how to find? Suppose in this is not given in one right angle triangle. 13 given, 5 given, this is not given. So what you will write? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. 5 square, X square, 13 square. Up to this you know how to do the calculation. Now, what you have to do? X square is equal to 13 square minus 5 square. Don't make the square. Next, A square minus B square means is equal to A plus B, A minus B. Right? Like that. 13 plus 5, 13 minus 5. Two type of the answer you will get. Both are perfect square or both are not a perfect square. So make a bigger number half, smaller number double. So 18 half, 9. 16 double, 8 double, 16. Now it is easy. Again, this I am trying. Now 7 is given, 25 is not given, 24 is not given, 25 is given. This is right angle triangle. Again, AB square, BC square, AC square. So 7 square plus Y square, 25. So Y square is equal to 25 square minus 7 square. So the total is how much? 32. And difference is how much? 80. Bigger number make it half. Smaller number, make it double. See, without single rough calculation, I am doing this. 16, sorry. So this is 4 square, 9 square. So this is 4 into 6. Now third point. All three sides are given and they will ask it is a Pythagoras triplet or not. Same, by doing very less calculation. Here I have not done any rough calculation. No extra calculation, all are 5. Now, suppose I am taking this 9, 40, 41. Find out it is Pythagorean triplet or not. For example, it is your A, B and C. Generally what you are doing, A square plus B square and C square. If both are equal, then it is Pythagoras triplet. Means you are omitting highest number. Rest of two numbers, square of rest of two number you are adding. I will do totally reversible. I will not take highest number. I will take lowest number. This is A. So A square is how much? 81. Now, if you will take highest number, then you have to add. I have taken less number, so I have to subtract. So what I will do? C square minus B square is equal to 41 square minus 40 square. Again same. One time plus, one time minus. What is plus? What is minus? 81 ones are 81. 81 is equal to 9 square. So 9. And 9 square means 81. That is C square minus B square is equal to A square. So C square is equal to A square plus B square. Again one example I am taking. Next one, for example this. So 11, 60, 61. Again A, B, C. I will not take highest. I will not take sum of square of rest of 2. So I take smallest one. So A square is equal to 11 square is equal to 1 to 1. And C square minus B square. 61 square minus 60 square. So when we take the square, that is 1 to 1 into 1. 61 plus 60, 1 to 1. 61 minus 60, only 1. So it is 1 to 1. In 1 to 1 it is your A square. So C square is equal to A square minus A square plus B square. Therefore 11, 60, 61, it is a Pythagoras triplet. Here also 9, 40, 41, Pythagoras triplet. So dear student, please repeat this video, observe it again and again. Try to get this first, how to get the triplet, then try to get how to calculate unknown side without any rough work. And this is very easy, means only for the smallest number you have to find out the square, not for big. Otherwise in your method you have to find out square of 41 also, square of 61 also. So without finding square of bigger number, this one method we can also do into the in SSC board. You will get full marks, don't worry. And this all are authentic method. This is very important in SSC board. They ask one question for from this all 3 point. It is very useful. Repeat this video again and again and try your best. Thank you.